This is a limestone floor which is quite dirty. You can see the difference between the area where there was a cupboard over the top and the rest of the floor. They're selling the house, so they just want the floor brought up to be a uniform clean. We stripped and cleaned the floor. This is just prior to sealing. Removed all the surface dirt. A lot of it was really deep in the grout lines, and it's come up very well. Grout lines very clear, very clean. You'll see the contrast now with the floor as it was. This is the conservatory, which is the next room to be done. So a very clear contrast between the two. That's the level of grime that was on the floor previously. All sealed and job finished. Looking a great deal cleaner and fresher.
Well, I'm very pleased with the floor. It made a tremendous difference. It was very dirty in places, very marked, and now it's absolutely lovely. It looks like new. So thank you very much. I'm very pleased with it.
Thank you.